Hi, my name is Kanchi Shah. I have done ATD course Arts Teacher degree from JJ School of Arts, Mumbai. Today we are going to learn still life objects drawing for elementary exam. First object is bucket. First we have to draw a rectangle from 0 to 13 centimeter and 0 to 15 centimeter height. Then we have to divide 13 centimeter into two parts, that is 6.5, and draw a straight line. We have to draw this rectangle light because we have to erase it later on. Now we have to make a small c and a small d at the corner of rectangle on one side, and from there we have to draw a oval shape. The measurement of this and this would be always same. Then we have to do a second line for bucket. Then from base we have to take 5.5 centimeter on both the sides, that is 11 centimeter, and draw a cross line from above. And from here we have to give it a little curve shape from both the sides, and the curve should be equal. Then we have to draw the base of the bucket. And then handle. Handle should be from half the below, that is from 8.5. Here you have to do the broad so that bucket has that broadness to hold it. Now this is the drawing. Now you have to do sketch pen. Now you have to erase the extra line which is not needed. Now we have to do the sketch pen. Now we have to color this handle with black sketch pen only. Now wait for some time so that it can dry. And then erase the pencil work that is seen to you. Make sure that any pencil marks are not left on your paper where you have drawn. Now we will start coloring. These are the colors. First is Persian blue. Make sure that your color doesn't go out and see to it that you have a one direction light. If the light is coming from your right hand side, then your object will be dark side at your left hand side, and if your light is coming from your left hand side, then your object will be at your dark side. We have taken light from right hand side, so our object will be dark at our left hand side. And make sure that your color doesn't go out. Do it very slowly as you get 2.5 hours for 3 objects, so you have enough time to do color. Don't scribble it, just do it slowly. Make sure that one color has an equal proportion of space so that every color would be equally seen in your bucket, or else it will look like dark color is much and light color is less. Doing this much, you have to use same color and do it lightly in little bit space, so it will be easy for you to merge second color on each. Now we will use cobalt blue. See, now our color is been mixed properly. It doesn't give any layers that we have just done it like that. It has been properly mixed now. Now we have to do little more cobalt blue so that it gives us third shade. First shade was Persian blue, second shade was Persian blue with cobalt blue, third shade is cobalt blue. Make sure that your blue color doesn't go in handle or spread on your paper anywhere. You can use rough cloth also to keep your paper clean, or rough paper. Now, just like Persian blue we have done lightly, same way we have to do cobalt blue also with light hand, so that our third shade will easily merge in it. Now we are using light blue color. Mix it well so that it doesn't give you look like a shade. Now we have to do only light blue color again. So total shades are now Persian blue with cobalt blue with light blue, and then light blue. Now same way we have to do light blue color light again for merging our next shade. Now we are going to use sky blue color and mix it in our light blue color shade. Now we have to do light blue color only. Make sure that your every color is clean or else it will give you patches of other color and your shade would also change. Now we are doing again same light color lightly. Now we will use white color on it and this would be our last color. So total we have used 6 colors in a single bucket. That is Persian blue, cobalt blue, sky light blue, sky blue and white. Make sure your white color also doesn't go on your sketch pen or else it would fade your sketch pen. Okay, then take your cobalt blue color and do it in a small rectangle. Now we will do base. Base also we have to do same but we will use only 2 colors in it, that is Persian blue, half Persian blue and then light shade again and then light blue. And then again lightly for white. Now as we have I have told you that light is coming from right hand side, so dark is on left hand side, but on the inner side it would be opposite. Light is coming from right side, so we will do dark side on right hand side as it is the shallow portion. Same way we will do as we have done in our bottom part, that is Persian blue, then light Persian blue, and make sure that your hand is above the paper so that it doesn't touch your bucket or it would be spread. Second will be cobalt blue. Just your color point should be touched so you will be easily able to do your color and it won't even spread on your paper. Then cobalt blue light, then light blue, then again light blue light. Make sure this also goes in a proportion. Then light sky blue again light and then rest is white. Okay, now this is the second line we will do with half portion with cobalt blue. It would be done like this, symmetrical. Then on the down part we will do sky blue color. here on the down part we will do Persian blue color little bit, so it doesn't get mixed up. Now we will go here with light blue color. We have to mix down Persian blue color with light blue color, not above Persian blue color. And then again cobalt blue color would be at down side and light blue color above. Okay, now we have to take some cotton and just do it lightly rubbing so that your excess color gets removed, and do it on only bucket, not anywhere else, and then blow it so your excess color will get away. Okay, our bucket is complete. Do you think it's complete? But it is not complete yet. Yet we are supposed to do shadow. Make sure your shadow will be towards your dark side, and shadow will be always in grey color. Make sure that you use your dark grey color only little bit, and at some portion only. Then you will use your grey color to merge it. Then light grey color, so that the light is getting light shadow as light is getting less. And in last you have to use your white color. Make sure you clean your white color and do it, or else your picture will get shades of different color in shadow. Now our picture is completed.